For decades, the world's most regulated organizations, from governments to global banks, have trusted Iron Mountain data centers to protect what matters most. Today, that same elite standard powers the strict security and compliance demands of the world's largest cloud and hyperscale providers. We take a defense-in-depth approach, layering security from the perimeter to the server itself. It starts at the gate, where officers verify badges and identification for every visitor and employee. As you move closer to the data floor, the layers deepen. Biometric authentication, multi-factor access controls, and 24/7 CCTV monitoring work together, so only authorized individuals ever reach equipment. For customers who want an added layer of protection, we also offer 2 underground data centers, built more than 200 feet into solid rock in Kansas City and Western Pennsylvania, a uniquely resilient option for your most sensitive infrastructure. Our security standards stay consistent across our entire global portfolio, backed by more than 20 certifications, including SOC 2, ISO 27001, HIPAA, PCI DSS, FedRAMP, and FISMA High. Working closely with every customer, we tailor additional technical and access controls to their unique needs, including government security clearances for the industry's most sensitive workloads. We're not just a data center provider. We're an information management company. That difference lets us guide our customers through their digital transformation and AI journey wherever they are today and wherever they're headed next. At Iron Mountain Data Centers, we help you protect, connect, and activate your data with the confidence that it's always safe and accessible when you need it.